Together, we cared for more than 800 patients with COVID-19. We conducted more than 250,000 swabs and created our own in-house lab test. To serve our community, we built 3 assessment centers, a pandemic response unit, and created dedicated COVID-19 units. More than 400 of us went into immediate training to gain new skills, and more than 650 of us were redeployed to where we were needed most.
Together, we faced this pandemic with rapid and innovative solutions, working together, each one of us, from every corner of all of our sites. Like the creation of our airway teams, early discharge clinic, the 3D printing of PPE, or launch of How's My Flattening. We championed virtual care in our assessment centers, stroke program, and in long-term care homes, and created dedicated PPE coaching teams. We celebrated our patients' milestones. Reunited a COVID-19 survivor with his care team.
So very grateful for everything that you guys did.
And provided support to our neighbors in their hour of need.
We accepted support with grateful hearts. In the form of warm meals, over 1 million donations of PPE, and messages and gestures of kindness.
Here's some more signs. Thank you, superheroes and scrubs.
We were there for our community, but our community was also there for us.
Together we embrace change in uncertain times. We still found ways to celebrate by holding our first ever virtual Diwali and virtual graduation for our UFT Med students. We embraced teaching virtually. We found ways to remain connected even when it was best to stay apart.
Together, we provided quality care while planning the future of healthcare. We led the modernization of healthcare in Canada by going live with Epic during the pandemic, a new and transformative digital health record system that required the training of almost 10,000 of our people. We announced, alongside the province, an accelerated build of our future long-term care homes, and invested in a new linear accelerator, cath lab, mammography, x-ray, to ensure that we can continue to provide quality care for generations to come.
Together, we embrace the power of partnerships. We received the largest ever donation in Canada from a Muslim community to rebuild Mississauga Hospital. Alongside our Mississauga, Ontario health team partners, we opened a community cough and flu clinic to reduce burden on our hospital. We worked closer than ever before with our emergency responders and our PO Public Health. We kneeled to say Black Lives Matter and created a dedicated team to move us forward on anti-racism, equity, and inclusion.
Together, we looked after our patients, the community, and each other.
Together, we were one of the first hospitals in Canada to receive and administer the COVID-19 vaccine, giving hope to a brighter, healthier new year.
Together, we took on 2020. This year was our most challenging. It was constantly changing, but we marked milestones, created moments worth celebrating, and continued on our mission to provide a new kind of healthcare for a healthier community. Trillium Health Partners is ready for 2021. I know that we can do anything when we do it better together, even if we are 2 meters apart.